Water, 4th standard, unit 2, term 2, science. Here we are going to talk about the introduction of water. Water is the most precious resource on earth, and it is found in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, and even under the ground. All living things need water to live, and they need water to do many activities in the day-to-day life. So here we are going to see change of states in water. Now we already know that water comes in 3 states. One is solid, one is liquid, and gas. Now here are some pictures. We need to write down the state of each object. Is it solid, is it liquid or gas? So the first is liquid, second ice cube is solid, then we have balloon filled with gas, so it is gas. Then we have boiling water, the vapor comes out, so that is gas. And then we have gas coming out of the factory again. We have a toy which is solid, we have oil which is liquid, a chair is a solid, we have juice which is liquid, and a shirt which is solid. Let's talk about states of water. Now water has 3 states as we discussed earlier. First one is solid. Example, we have ice and snow. Then we have liquid, drinking water. Then we have gas, which is water vapor. So water occurs naturally in 3 forms: ice, water and water vapor. And these forms are also called as states of water. Ice is in solid form, water in liquid form, and water vapor in gaseous form. And these states occur naturally because of the temperature changes. Water becomes ice in cold region, remains as water in ocean and rivers, and becomes water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Here we are going to talk about the water cycle. So here is a description how water cycle forms. Now in nature, water keeps changing the state. So let's see how it happens. Now due to the sun's heat, water in the ocean and river changes into vapor and it rises up. Now water becomes water vapor on heating and it is called as evaporation. The water vapor, when it comes in contact with cool air, it becomes water droplets and this is called as condensation. And these water droplets combine to form clouds. Now the water droplets continue to combine and they become big and heavy. Then these water droplets fall down as rain and this process is called precipitation. In colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow or sleet or hail. This continuous change of water from one state to another state in nature is called water cycle. Now let's go to choose the correct answer. In the water cycle, what happens? Is it only evaporation, only condensation, or evaporation and condensations are involved? So the correct answer is evaporation and condensation are involved. Now, what are the importance of water cycle? Now, water cycle is important to improve the ability of groundwater, to control Earth's temperature, to provide water to plants and animals, especially us human beings, and to recycle Earth's supply of water constantly. Let's talk about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. And rainwater can be collected in natural reservoirs or artificial tanks. Now, rooftop harvesting is also a type of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater on the top of the building is collected and passed into ground through pipes. Water passing through the pipes enter the pit, which consists of gravels and coarse sand. As it passes, impurities are filtered and stored as groundwater. What are the benefits of rainwater harvesting? It increases the groundwater level. It can be used for agriculture. It increases the availability of water for living beings. Now let's go and do the book back exercises. Choose the correct answer. Water is the most precious resource on the earth. Water exists in 3 states. At temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water freezes to form ice. Evaporation is the process by which water becomes water vapor. Which control the ecological functions of life? Water cycle. Fill in the blanks with suitable answer. Water is converted into water vapor when it is heated. Water becomes ice on freezing. Water droplets combine to form clouds. Water cycle increases the availability of groundwater. Rooftop harvesting is type of rainwater harvesting. Right, true or false? Water is a good example for all states of matter. True. Water cycle control Earth's temperature. True. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. True. 37% of our brain's mass consists of water. False. Rooftop harvesting method is used in agriculture field. False. Answer briefly. First is write the states of water: solid, liquid, gas. What is freezing? At temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Name the processes involved in water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Which state government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001? Tamil Nadu. What is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit? Boulders, gravel and coarse sand. Answer in detail. What is water cycle? Write any 3 importance of water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated by different processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. Importance of water cycles are to improve the availability of groundwater, to control the earth's temperature, to provide water to plants and animals, especially humans. What is rainwater harvesting? List out the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. It increases the groundwater level. It can be used for agriculture. It increases the availability of water for living things.